We come here, what, twice a year? Never buy anything?
Normally once a year.
We're taking advantage. Our son's off with his friends tonight. So we ran where couples come to fight. We have an idea of what to buy though. So it should be quick. Let's see. Where's the bathroom? And one of those. Oh yeah. Thank you. Oh, look at that.
Oh, but that's huge.
Oh, we're good now? Wait. Well, that's good. You can go with that. All right. Hey, look, there's a smaller one. Hey Siri, stop recording. Well, for the things that we took pictures of, one's at the market hall, the other one's in. Put it on again.
Looking for the bureau.
Found that.
Where did you take pictures?
Aisle 30, bin 23.
And what about
That's the bureau.
Take your picture.
The bureau? Oh, in your drawer. In your aisle 6, bin 19. Over here, 6. Is that right? The Mickey Brown?
Oh no, I thought we were leaving it. That's why I grabbed that, didn't I?
Oh, that's right. Okay. The other one is heavy.
You move back. You got it.
Is that correct? We're in. Thank you.